It is hard to fail, but it is worse never try to the success. With this thought, I Gurtej Singh welcome all of you in today morning assembly. First of all, I will thankful to Honorable Principal Sir and respected teacher who has provided a suitable environment by online classes. Now let's start the day with a wonderful prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. A wonderful prayer it was. Now I would like to call Laganpreet for a thought. Good morning all of you. My name is Laganpreet and today my thought is be strong but do not rude. Be kind but do not weak. Be humble but do not timid. Be proud but do not arrogant. Thank you and have a nice day. What a fantastic thought it was. Now I would like to call Krish for a speech.
Good morning to you all. My name is Krish from 8th F class. Today I am going to deliver a speech on corona vaccine. The world is the midst of COVID-19 as WHO and partners work together on the response tracking advisory of critical disbursing virtuals medicine. Supplying to those in need, they are racing to develop safe and effective vaccine. Vaccine save millions of lives each year. Vaccine work by training and preparing the body natural defense, the immune system to recognize and fight off the virus and bacteria. They target if the body is exposed to those diseases causing germs. Later, the body is immunized, ready to destroy them and the illness. There are currently more than 50 COVID-19 vaccine candidates in trial. WHO is working in the collaborates with scientists, businessmen and global health organizations that act to speed up the pandemic. Thanks and have a nice day.
What a wonderful speech it was. Now I would like to call Rudraksh for GK question.
Good morning all of you. I am Rudraksh from class 8th F. Today some GK questions are. First question is, which country is set to join as the 6th member of Five Eyes Intelligence Network? And the answer is Japan. Question number 2. India's highest meteorological center has been inaugurated in which state UT? And the answer is Ladakh. Question number 3. Which country released a bill that would increase monitoring of civil society groups? And the answer is Turkey. Question number 4. Which country generated over half of its power from wind due to Storm Bella? And the answer is United Kingdom. Question number 5. Who has been nominated to the board of Global Alliance for Vaccines from India? And the answer is Harshvardhan. Question number 6. The Union Cabinet approved MOU between India and which country on peaceful uses of outer space? And the answer is Bhutan. Question number 7. Which application has been launched by the External Affairs Ministry to connect with Indian diaspora? And the answer is Global Privacy Rishta. Question number 8. What is Shayak NG, which was seen in the news recently? And the answer is airdropable container. Question number 9. Which sportsperson has been awarded knighthood in the UK honors list? And the answer is Lewis Hamilton. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to call little champ of our academy from nursery.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dals. My poem is Two Little Bluebirds. Two little bluebirds up on a tree built a nest for our two she along come the babies 1, 2, 3. Now they are all happy family. Thank you, Aflu.
Marvelous performance given by our little champ. Now I would like to call Harman Kaur for explanation of Japji Sahib.
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। मैं हरमन आज ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਪੰਕਤੀਆਂ ਪਰ ਦੱਸਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਸਹਿਜ 18 ਕਹਿਣ ਕਤੇਬਾਂ ਅਸਲੂ ਇਕਦਾਤ ਲੇਖਾਂ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖੀਐ ਲੇਖਾਂ ਹੋਏ ਵਿਨਾਸ਼ नानक बड़ा आँखें आपे जाने आप पाओ। इन पंक्तियों में गुरु जी कह रहे हैं कि मुस्लिम धर्म में 18,000 आलम हैं और हर एक आलम परमात्मा की रचना को अनगिनत और अनखत्म होने की तरफ इशारा करता है। असल में इस सारे संसार का केंद्र एक है, भाव एक वाहिगुरु ही है जिसने यह करोड़ों ब्रह्मांड पैदा किए हैं। अगर उस परमात्मा की रचना का कोई बयान नहीं करना चाहे तो भी नहीं कर पाता, क्योंकि उसकी रचना का कोई अंत नहीं है। भाव उसका हिसाब लगाते लगाते गिनती ही खत्म हो जाती है, पर प्रभु की रचना का अंत नहीं होता। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
This is all for today. Thanks for paying attention and have a good day.